So bold, so cold. Hey, if you love me unconditional. Patience is a virtue, then come residuals. Cash for life. This be the realest words I ever said. This be the realest words I ever said. I'ma try to get to know you, not your physical.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be doing 5 easy hairstyles that you can do every single day of the week. So the products I'm using today will be the Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Define Cream by African Pride, my trusty Eco Styler Gel, and this is a mixture of oils that I just put in here so I can make my own oil. And basically all it has in there is olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, sunflower oil, and almond oil. So yeah, that's all that I have in there. And you just want to start off by spraying your hair with water. All I have in here is water, but if you have like aloe vera juice, that's even better because it helps moisturize your hair better. So I already had this part from my slick back ponytail that I had in yesterday, and basically the first hairstyle is just gonna be the 2 buns. I'm gonna do 2 buns first. So I'm just put some of the cream. I hate how it leaves that white stuff at the end of my hair. It always does that, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's just how the product is, because it does disappear, but I hate that it just stays at the end and it just doesn't do anything. It doesn't go into my hair like how other products do. But I don't know, like I said, it could just be the way that the product is. Doing buns is really hard for me. Only because I like perfection when I do my buns. And the only way that I can get it perfect is like putting my head to the side and doing it. I don't know, don't judge me. It's just the easiest way for me to do it. Oh yeah, and you're gonna need bobby pins. Tons of it. Tons of it. I love bobby pins so much. Literally my best friend. Literally. See, these ones are gonna be looking really good just for this video. Like, hopefully it comes out good. Cause I think I like them, but it's kind of like leaning a little bit. I don't know, we'll see the end result. So same thing, I just put like this much on my hair, put it in my hand, put on my ends. And this product is very moisturizing. I definitely would recommend this. Even though it's light, it's lighter than the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's lighter than that, but yet still moisturizing. And it gives your curls like a nice hold as well. Like nothing too tight, nothing too crunchy. It's just really nice and soft curls that it creates. Guess what? Waves don't swim like the ocean.
last one because I really like how it's coming out.
So basically, you just do the same thing, and this method works for me the best. Basically, you just do the same thing like you did on the other side. And as you can see, they're not even perfect, and I messed up this one. But yeah, I mean, if you're into edges, you can do all that. I'm not really super into edges because I can't really do it well enough. So I'm just not gonna have any. I'm just not gonna have much for this hairstyle. But yeah, this is look number 1. And for our second hairstyle, we're just gonna do a simple back bun with a middle part, since I already have a middle part. You know, gotta make it easier on yourself. I know you can see my little pimple too. I don't even know how that happened. Like, it was growing on my face, and then I tried to pop it, and then that happened. But I went and I got black soap, so hopefully it goes away. Before I do the back buns, I'm gonna do 2 small buns, like 2 side buns at the side.
So basically, you just do this. You just put out the side of your hair. Like Princess Leia, that's her, right, from Star Wars. Everyone's like, oh, those are like Princess Leia buns. Like in the beginning, when I was wearing arms buns, I didn't really know who Princess Leia was because, like, I don't watch all that fan fiction, science fiction, whatever. I don't watch no fan fiction stuff, like, I don't like Star Wars and stuff like that, not too much.
But basically, this is it. This is it. It's just 2 buns. It's just so cute. Now we can get to the back bun. This has to be my favorite bun, my favorite hairstyle. I can wear this for weeks at a time. Actually, before we do the bun, let's do a puff. I don't even know how many, I don't remember how many hairstyles I said were gonna be featured in this video, but the more the merrier, right? Even though there's stuff that you probably already do. Sometimes my edges come out great when I do it like this. Other times, not so great. But it's all like a trial and error, you know. You gotta go through the process. And this is my puff. But now finally we can get to the bun. And you can bobby pin it, but for this video I'm just gonna put my hair tie and make it a bun like that. I love how this looks. We're gonna make this a hairstyle. So this is gonna be one hairstyle as well, because you can actually wear this out. I'll show you. So you get a pick, and you just wanna pick it out. If you're looking for something more like full, more voluminous, you can just pick it out. And me personally, I don't care how I pick my hair out, just as long as it gets picked out. Because I know some people, they be like, pick from the roots, but I personally don't care. I personally really don't care. And yeah, this is so cute. And the final hairstyle is gonna be a top knot bun. Okay. And if you choose to do your edges, then you can. But I really don't ever do edges. Cause yeah. But that's all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though I had a hard time, you know, with these hairstyles. But I just hope that you all enjoy my video, and tune in next Sunday for more videos. Bye guys. Hey y'all. So I just came up with this great idea, and I was like,